Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to create a clean and efficient student dashboard in Notion. Whether you're in high school, college, or university, this setup can help you organize assignments, class schedules, notes, deadlines, and personal projects all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a polished workspace that looks professional and functions smoothly without needing to build everything from the ground up. We'll be using a free Notion student dashboard template, which saves time while still giving you complete flexibility to customize the layout to match your workflow. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly look at why templates are helpful. A template gives you a ready-made structure, so instead of building everything from scratch, you can focus on staying organized and productive right away. To begin, open your Notion workspace. In the upper left corner, click the drop-down menu to access additional options. From there, select Browse Templates. This will open Notion's template gallery, which contains a wide range of pre-built systems for productivity, education, project management, and more. Next, use the search bar and type Student Dashboard. You'll likely see several different layouts appear. Take a few moments to explore them carefully. Some templates are designed with colorful visuals and detailed sections, while others use a cleaner and more minimal style. Choose one that feels intuitive and practical for the way you study and manage your responsibilities. Once you've found a template you like, click on it and select Add to Workspace. Within seconds, the dashboard will appear in your Notion account and be ready to customize. Now it's time to personalize your setup. Your dashboard should function as a central hub for your academic life. Start by adding your courses, assignment deadlines, weekly schedule, and study goals. You can also include sections for project planning, exam preparation, reading lists, or even extracurricular activities. If you work on creative projects, consider adding spaces for design ideas, writing drafts, or portfolio material. The goal is to create a workspace that is both useful and motivating to open every day. One of Notion's biggest strengths is flexibility. You can rearrange sections, rename categories, change icons, and update cover images to fit your preferred style. For example, you might create a dedicated revision tracker for exams, or a daily checklist to stay focused throughout the week. Treat the dashboard as a system that evolves with your needs. Don't hesitate to experiment with layouts or remove sections that don't serve a purpose. Small adjustments can significantly improve how efficiently you work. And also, remember that building an effective workspace takes time. It doesn't need to be perfect immediately. Continue refining it as your semester progresses, and prioritize the tools you use most frequently. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a streamlined and personalized student dashboard in Notion that can help you stay organized, reduce stress, and keep important information easily accessible. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.